How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to Joe's Garage. So today we're going to be installing a fuel water separator onto my boat right here. It's a 140 Johnson. So right now, you guys can see way back there, there's a standard issue fuel filter on here. I got it Napa. So I'm installing, that's just a regular fuel filter. This one is the one, oops, sorry about that separates the water and the fuel. If you use an ethanol fuel, separate, condensation gets in the tank, rain, whatnot. So this one right here, just one I got off Amazon. It's not the cheapest one, but it's not the most expensive one either. It's a co-fill. Has the plastic clear bowl on the bottom. It's the drain and everything. It's a nicer one. Today I'm going to be installing this. Get this all figured right here. So this is going to get installed about right here. It's going to get screwed right in here. So what I did before I put it all together is I used some Teflon tape to put the plugs in. Teflon tape and on the barbs, make sure it doesn't leak. So I'm going to install this. Get this, there we go. Installing this right here. So I cut the fuel line. Well, actually, a little bit up. Can't really get the camera on that angle though. Maybe. Alright, well anyways, you see what I'm trying to do. So go right here. I'm gonna cut the fuel line about right here-ish. I'm gonna put this on the end, and this gonna come right out, screw it on, and be all good to go. That's how right here. You guys won't be able to see it, but just two screws. I'm gonna screw in right up top. Let me screw that in real fast, be right back. Okay, now you can see it's temporary. Well, I gotta get some better screws. That's all I had. There's two screws up there. Just mounted on top of on the side of my gas tank. My 15-gallon gas tank, and I have this. A chair goes on top of this box. Chair sits right here. That's just a thing around the gas tank to hold the chair. I'm just gonna screw right there. And good to go. So right there. So now I'm gonna cut this fuel line. Install the fuel line. I have to pick up some hose clamps later. Put that in, properly install it. And here we go again, fiddling with the camera. Alright, well, I'll show you. My hose cutter's right here. Cut this hose about right here. Yeah, I know gas is coming out. So this is going to be the in. This is going to be the out. See, I get my ball coming in the end. This is going to go right to the motor. I have to pick up some hose clamps later. So I should have a couple gallons in here. Fuel tank. I'm going to pump this ball up. See that gas getting in there. Now it says to fill this up. Like priming a diesel engine, you fill up the fuel filter. Then you pump it. But since I had to pump, I believe I shouldn't have to do that. It already pumps it up for me. So yeah, now that's all hooked up. Going right to the engine. Now if I get water in here, I can see the water separation. I get a hose, stick on here. There's a little barb, stick a hose on here, run into a bottle. Crack it open, drain the water, close it up. Wham bam, I'm done. So yeah, that's how you install a water fuel separator on your outboard motor. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Shall be back next time. See ya.